I'm Chris. This is SHOT Show. That's Ryan with MDT. This is the full Monty. Tell me about it.
So this is our ACC Elite. We released this just about a month or so ago, and we've been working on it for well over a year. This is our premier chassis setup for shooting PRS. We have our original ACC, which we now call the ACC Premier, and we've just basically taken everything from our shooting team that they wanted changed, and we put it into this.
Okay.
So starting from the back
end.
end.
They drove the whole project?
Pretty much,
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, almost, not solely, but you know, yeah.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
So we'll start from the back end. We went and put a connector bar system into the back end here to want to stiffen up the whole back end quite a bit. We also made the adjustments on this very easy. We have just a quick turn knob here. You push it in, you pull it off. Next cool thing is we included our keys in here. They're held in by magnets. So we got a T10 and a 1/8, and that will adjust everything on this gun except for your action screws.
Really?
Yep, so that goes there. Drop that in, you can adjust it wherever you want, crank it down, good to go. Same thing for the length of pull here. Give it a push, pull it out, put it back in. And then you can also adjust your height with this, up and down.
Yep.
And we have markings on here to make sure you can return it to wherever you have it whenever you do that.
Nice, okay.
Moving forward on it, we still have our grip that is our Elite grip on this, modified for this setup, so we could have the connector bar fully adjustable for angle, front to back, fully adjustable thumb shelves in the M-lock slots here. We also have a adjustable mag latch. Big thing on this thing is adjustability. Obviously, we've gone through that.
You are modular-driven technologies.
Yes, exactly. So moving into the front end, we've stiffened up the whole front end quite a bit as well, making it quite a bit thicker in general. And we still have the internal weights. You can run our original internal weights, standard M-lock external weights. On this version here, we have what we call our control bridges.
Okay.
Allows you to get your hand up there, grip that if that's how you grab your gun.
This is just for grip?
Grip, yeah.
Grip and aesthetics, because it's kind of a cool pattern?
It is a very cool pattern, yes, yeah. It also works really well as a Mirage hood. Which is
does it?
Yeah, it works excellent for that.
Oh, interesting.
So, and then obviously on the end there, we got our comp brake. And back here, we also do have our Baker wings. So this gun's fully set up. It's literally going to go from here to our MDT van for people to use as a backup gun.
Wow, okay.
So
there's only one thing wrong with this rifle. Missing an apex rival. But the chassis looks fantastic.
Nice. No, I don't have. Oh, no, not on this wall, I guess.
There are. You do have several apexes.
I do. Yes.
Yeah. We're cross promoting here.
Yes.
Here's one. I know you guys can still hear me all the way over here. Well, there we go. Now, that's a rifle.
Yes.
You got an MDT timber. You got a Bergara barrel as well, right?
Yeah, Bergara barreled action.
Bergara barreled action with an apex rival on top. Does it get any better than that?
That's a pretty solid setup.
The only thing better is if it was an MDT Elite, because the timber's cool, but the Elite is elite.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
You want to show us something else?
Yeah,
Can I just carry this around for the whole rest of the interview?
If you want.
Because I feel so much cooler when I'm carrying this.
Nice, cool. Let's go roll over here, look at the bipods.
Okay, I'm following you.
Okay, so we got our new Oryx bipod, we call this. This is a full polymer bipod, rubber molded over the legs and feet. When it is stowed away, it is a quick deploy, so you just give it a click, pushes it down. It does have cant lock on this as well, so you can adjust to whatever you want. This is currently set up in an M-lock. We also do have a sling swivel stud set up for this coming.
You do? Okay.
Yeah, and this will be in coming out late summer, early fall.
So this isn't actually released yet?
No, not released. Well, we're releasing it now, but it's not going to be. It's not going to be out for sale
available
for a little bit. Yeah.
Okay. So you kind of glossed over it. Let's do that again. Grab that again.
Which is better than what
It's a spring tension adjustment. So you kind of just pull down to release. To put it back up, sorry.
Yeah.
You just kind of pull down on it.
Yeah, so we have little grooves in the back here to put your thumb on. Just drop it in like that, pull it back up. Very fast, very easy.
Little system.
It's pretty cool. They did a really good job on designing it.
Yeah.
So.
Cool. What else you got, Ryan?
Well, we have this really cool thing over here called our zero stage trigger. So it's an electronic trigger, electro and mechanical trigger. It goes anywhere from 4 ounces up to 64 ounces. It is called zero stage because it literally does not move.
The trigger does not move.
Yeah, it does not move. So it's sitting on a sensor in here. As soon as you touch it, it will put that pressure against the sensor.
Yeah.
And then that starts the sequence to let the sear drop.
And yeah, so then it just trips at whatever weight you've got it set at.
Basically, yeah. So this one's set right now at 5 ounces.
Can I try it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Hold that, Kurt.
I have to cock it, yeah.
Okay. I would ND this all the time.
I get used to it.
It doesn't move at all.
No.
Like, I can feel my finger moving,
yeah.
But that's just because like my finger's compressing
exactly
up to 5 ounces.
Yeah, it's pretty insane that sensation you get. You basically, the way I describe it is you put your finger against a pen and hold the pen still.
Yeah.
It's that same sensation.
That is neat. So what, does it take a battery?
Yeah, so it has a rechargeable USB port on here.
Oh.
It has an internal battery.
Oh yeah, it's a USB-C.
Yeah. Yeah, so basically what's going to happen is you charge it up, it takes about an hour to charge it, you get around 1,000 hits is the expected time. We're pushing for more than that, but minimum 1,000. So
now you said electronic and mechanical.
Yeah, yeah. So basically what it comes down to is we have, once it goes through the sensor, it goes into a control board that sends a signal to a solenoid, which is why it kind of dips down here a bit. And then that pushes up and lets the sear drop.
Okay, so if the battery dies, you're not able to operate it?
You're not able to operate it, no.
Okay.
But we do have a backup safety on it, so there's a double safety on it. There's electronic safety and mechanical safety on it, so that part we can do.
Okay.
We were not able to, we really would have loved to, but there's just not a lot of real estate in a 700 footprint trigger.
Sure, yeah, that makes sense, yeah.
It's already snug as it is.
It's taking yeah. And so that's where your 1,000 round capacity comes into, is like how much room do you have to put a battery in? I'm assuming it's like a lithium ion battery?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So, when is this hitting the market?
Over a year.
Over a year from now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we got quite a bit of testing to do still on it.
Yeah.
Weather testing. I've been collecting dust from all over North America.
Right. Oh yeah, okay. So you could consider this kind of like the alpha version that I'm incessantly playing with right now.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun to play with.
It is kind of a lot of fun to play with.
It's like
I'm testing that 1,000 round battery capacity.
It's like a fidget stick for men.
Yeah, it kind of is. Just don't even put it on a gun. Just walk around with the trigger.
Yeah, exactly.
What the heck is this?
So this is our new MDT training shot timer. It is slick. We couldn't call it just a shot timer because it does so much more than just a shot timer.
Okay.
It allows you to go and overlay video, take a video of yourself while you're training, and when you press start, you hit record and then press start, and then as you're shooting, it actually will show your splits of each shot as you go.
Yeah.
And then that data is actually dumped back into your timer and also into your phone app, and you can see what your splits are, how you're improving, how you're where you could improve more, and when you do start improving, how to do that on everywhere else.
I love electrical things that tell me how much I suck.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So, and then beyond that, you can set it up to do relays. So, say if you want to do like a one-shot drill, you can set it up to par time of whatever, 5 seconds, 12 seconds, whatever you want to do, and then as soon as you take that shot, it'll go beep beep. And then that's your reset time, and you set that reset time to whatever you want it to be, usually like 20 seconds or whatever you want it, and then it automatically does it again.
So you're not just timing the shot, you're timing your re-engagement.
Well, not even that. It's more so that you can you only have to set it once on your phone or on the timer, and then you can just put your timer on your pocket and just keep on repeating and repeating and repeating.
Oh wow, that's
so you don't have to restart it ever again.
So it connects with your phone via Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Does it have, or does it even need any compatibility with any other device?
No.
Just like it's all you need, it's just on the phone.
Yeah, on your phone.
Can you export data from it?
Yep. Sorry, I don't know. I can double check.
Okay.
But you can definitely look. Like what I can do is go in the app, pull up a calendar and see what days I was shooting on,
Oh, you
and
can,
go
okay.
and look at that and say, okay, well, my relays were this on this day, now they're this on this day.
But if you're doing the video overlay, you'll have a video with it all on there. That's kind of like exporting it anyway.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
That's really cool. When's
Yeah.
this supposed to hit the market?
So this will be out in the next 6 weeks.
Oh, wow, real quick.
Yeah, this is ready to go.
Do you guys have a Canadian MSRP on it?
US MSRP is 300.
US MSRP is 300, so roughly 26,500 Canadian.
Basically.
Okay. Stay tuned for that thing. That's really cool. I like that thing.
Yeah, one of the other cool things is too is it's a magnetic clip,
Oh, yeah.
and then so you never have to look for your clip when you're clipping it on your
So,
belt
yeah,
anymore.
you clip it onto your belt and then...
Yeah, you just pull it off, look at it. It's also flips as well. Yeah, it should flip.
So obviously, like, what we're talking about right now is its use with a bolt gun.
Yeah.
Could you use it for running and gunning too, the exact same?
Anything. You can use it for dry fire as well. You
Yeah.
can use it with suppressors, handguns, anything you want.
Cool.
Yeah.
They're not just chassis anymore. MDT. Ryan,
Thanks
for your time, man.
Cheers, man.
We'll see you guys at the next one.